I have in my hands a sentence effective of 3 years of jail, but I appeal.
You were being accused of taking indecent photos. Can you tell me what is being referred to by the indecent photos?
Yes, the photo there were they showing the behavior from my husband, who was naked at home in front of our children. And my intention as a mother, it was to protect my children just with the separation procedure urgently with the family court in Malta.
Okay, so you're saying you took the photos of your children as part of your separation process.
I took the photo with my husband and my children, because in some photo there were even my children with my husband naked at home.
Was this a sort of normal, everyday thing?
Most not every day, but yes, common. He used to have this behavior to stay free at home. And from my side, as a mother, it wasn't as a good example for my children.
How old are you?
I am 37.
And this case has been going on for how long?
From 2017.
And I believe you spent some time in jail already.
Yes, I spent 2 months under arrest.
Can you describe what happened?
During the 2 months that I spent in the jail on 2017, my life changed completely, because I didn't have any more contact with my children, who are my part of my life.
Can I ask, on what grounds did you start separation proceedings from your husband?
The problem that I didn't start, that I couldn't manage to start the separation procedure, because the same day that suppose I must go with my lawyer to the family court, they arrest me.
On what reason did you ask for an annulment?
I asked the marriage annulment on the ground that my husband didn't respect his duty as a father and as even husband, because sometimes we used to have even a moment very, very hard, fighting, domestic violence.
I refer to the article, and again I quote that a Poch alerted by the school where you were employed and
Yes.
where your children attended, reported this case to the police. What was the reason for that?
The Poch was advice from the pediatrician of my children.
You showed some nude photos of your 2 children together with your husband to some of your colleagues.
Yes, because of 2017 summer, I found a job in a government school, and slowly, I opened my heart, and I need to have a support from my colleagues.
You were cleared of defiling the children and found guilty of producing child pornography. Your comments?
My intention, it was to use, we say, indecent material. My intention, it was to use this evidence just and only for the separation procedure from my husband.
What would you wish to share with our audience today?
My unique hope is to have my children back.
That was